Well, the fight against the opioid epidemic continues. The Carroll County Health Department is now answering the call with an overdose alert. WJZ is live tonight. Max McGee has very latest on a community battling with drugs. Max.
Nicole, an unusually high number of overdoses sparked the Carroll County Health Department to put out this overdose alert, warning the community a deadly drug is on the streets. Just outside the Carroll County Health Department stands a 60-foot sign listing the overdose stats in 2019. 532 of them. In the last 48 hours, there were 11 more. It's unclear if any of them died, but now the rural county is announcing an overdose alert, focusing on one of the most deadly opponents, fentanyl.
Dealing with heroin, the drugs weren't quite as deadly. When we started seeing fentanyl in the drugs, it's become more of a problem. And now we're starting to see our last two deaths were included something called xylazine, which is an animal-type tranquilizer.
Reports from drugabuse.gov say from 2012 to 2017, the number of deaths in Maryland involving synthetic opioids ranged from 52 to over 1,500. Singer says the overdose threshold varies in different places, but in Carroll County, the number is 5. The 11 overdoses is alarming, and that's why they chose to make an announcement.
Is it fair to say Carroll County or the state of Maryland in general is in a state of crisis?
Well, it's fair to say the entire country is in a state of crisis. I mean, this is a national problem. It's not a, and it crosses all sectors. I mean, it's not, it's not a rural problem. It's not an urban problem. We have just as much of a problem up here in Carroll County, in rural Carroll County, as there is in Baltimore City.
Now the race is on to keep the numbers on the sign outside the health department as they are, as they continue to save lives in the streets. Okay, now people at home, you can help. You can call the Maryland Crisis Hotline 24/7, 365 by dialing 211 or just by pressing 1. I'm Max McGee reporting live for WJZ.